All right, I was for your mission video. Kumasi youth, TikTok youth, line. I was here. Kumasi youth, TikTok for Omeja, President John Dramani Mahama. You see, President John Dramani Mahama wababem for almost 1 year. You are one of the useless presidents they have ever. The Omeniyehu. Obviously, who president were born to say President John Dramani Mahama. Obviously, I got a same TV. You best say, we best subscribe to the channel before my new channel brown conversation. Obviously, for best say, the young tie in Sama Kumasi TikTokers. Catch President John Dramani Mahama. Na yambra na yamba. You be Jojo. They are changed them. Yeah, very interesting. Young Cobra.
Abosumi Dubako. Me say President ya wabon asa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Mampani ya wabon pa wasa. Sabi. Wonimu hu. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yama 1 solid good year. President. Abosumi Dubako. Untimi mfa won sanchere 1 single policy. 1 single project. Waye di ama oman. Sasa bi mebaye maye janan bia. Na oman pe baabi ya janan ya omonkoso. Abosumi Dubako. Kwafe. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. NDC yaban ehu sabi woman se ya yankwasiafo because moba niema hoden ejina eye Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo samoba titisika man nsɛmtwerɛfo adi ne wo moba sɔre anopa akɔtena radio station so sabi aka nsɛmhunu ne nkwasiasɛm akyerɛ woman yamma wabosumi Dubako de kɔ afe ato aba ma wo mampani Enfidi anegu Ghana kwan so Nana Bandada His Excellency adwuma yi akwan ma omen moba ya na mo stop contractors ni nyina asesa mfidie especially Kofi Job sesa ni mfidie free Ghana kwan so samu ye nhwehwemu awie na o ma hye o madwuma ase ye kwa afini NDC aban timi mfa ne nsankyere se akwan ya na Akufo Addo gusu ye no ye ba ye ya ye basafa ba akon ato aso da bi hospital ya agenda 111 ya ye beto ya Akufo Addo asibi ya wie ni aka ye mfidi ye de begum be ye adwuma matimamuni no John Dramani Mahama ye NDC aban entumi nkyere wo mai se me ba ye me tobentoa e de koto sa agenda 111 hospital ye wa hayimu da bi ontumi kan bi nkyere ye schools wana Akufo Addo usie John Dramani Mahama ntimi nkyere ye se me ba ye maton chance de yaboso dabi factories no ankasa policy 24-hour economy ene adane 24-hour rest in peace His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba ye ontimi nkyere ye se adwuma na mesimi be bia ma mabuna ye bia ye no we ni ne ye meye dabi yetimi so ya hu gulan kurusem ni yakogina baabi ni ajeja nkokọ ama o matukọ soro ade ya lanche nkokọ nketenkete policy but ye hu fie bia mu nipa wo yin akokọ kuro mu ha dabi sabi NDC aban His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ka kire mo ama ho daso ne mo de sabi mubu o mansi ya yankwasiafo because niamu ya politics some be dada o men because muhu ya say ye nimu nyansa mo be man nsɛmtwerɛfo sikadi ne ya besisi radio stations so TV stations so sabi emu mma bi no ya yese somro aka nkwase asɛm ne nsɛmhunu agu yasum ya ka kyerɛ mo untumi medi mampani afe ni akyire abra wuntumi nkyere ye 1 single policy project a waye se wo man dabi Yati kromu hansa ntwerofo ka kire yen se omayi mu adwo eno makofom enti wanya hwe kura eye yanya nkwada abra na obi kwaje bosia de ya kwan obi kwaje bosia de hwe ye masku obi kwaje bosia de si hospitals na obi kwaje bosia na ode ye nnooma ahodo wo man mu oba ye abosumi du baako Ghana nsantwerofo se yema wo mere na emom abosumi du baako mu no waton wo man agapade ama wunu ye adwuma gi sika gu no botom His Excellency yema wo kwan Ghana enya wabusu agapade oman Ghana enya baakofo sabi ebotomu ade oman Ghana enya busunya property untumi medi oman so na ye taxpayers money yemfa ntua muka na abosome poli du baako ye musa wo ne waye na wonyina ho mfa wonsa nu utirim ye ba sasi aso asimuso NDC aban so we ni mo botaya mo ba ya na mo threatening crofo say his speech na ene ye mo besoa ya gum mumiensa wam na mo nso ayemum bosome du baako mampani untumi nkyerɛ akwan basafa baako se wei na meba ya ma ya ato aso yeso oman mu adwo akufu ado aban ekɔ MPP ade ane ye ton 50 cedis bosome du baako ene eye 80 cedis kodwom kobusa nkwada pampers nom ko sanitary pad nom ko kodwom kobusa ye nka nkyerɛw enam ne atosode ye kodwom kobusa bosome du baako saa bere no se ne ye si tono mo ankasa mo ma mo NDC members no kodwom kobusa ene ne yadru no wamansa ntwerofo sika di ti radio station ni TV station so sabi kansem hunu kire oman se who wasted 4 years no kura no wanya bibia is enough all because of say obaye dollar kofo akufu ado kwaje bosia na no de ya apan no de see schools na esisi hospitals abosumi du baako ye nyaamo enya hwe hanhwe mu dabi NDC aban ensi timu pe bibia ye kuro yi mu amumpe bibi nye ne ye ka kire mo no
game ene ye ni na ye bo ana say ye di nkwa wafa no personal wafa no ti say own property MPP na enye obi ade o MPP enye obi ade eye me ne wo ye ni na ye dia and it's not meant for any your friend is a ethnic group be and yes I same for there and I say yes in central for there and then until Reverend in team for the ya for the Musa Kani na aye then when you free mo Kennedy Japan you penny for your executives then a moya fa ho na moya fa ho ye mpani fa mo ensem bia ehia mutumi pie ebe kasa wo ho we ya ye de yensa akoka pani MP moa MPO enye just any normal human being and I say me no ye normally enye ye mu bia o MP moa na mo de monsa akoka no all because on support him. Hey, no, I call northern region, no. I call all the 5 northern regions, no. When we say your friend is saying, Kennedy Japan wa among for support no. Nana Ajiman, me pacho mute why. When we say your friend is saying, you and I say about me uncle for me we say we must support Kennedy Japan. One so be the nisako come. Mpenifo na Kennedy Japan mpenifo na oni omonam o do northern region onya mpenifo di omo echi aden na ye yesa aden politics inti na ye pese ye kunkum ye ho ye pese ye chi ye ho we me I'm not surprised say ye wura ye friend is in Kennedy Japan etumi asende ade we ya ma delegate me de enya me wanwa ma me reading chere Ghana for enya me wanwa baako say ye wura atumi atwero ade we de asende say the attempt to allow polling station executives who may be sick or travel on election day to vote is the reason I say some of our party people are fools. When I say this, the people don't understand. If they go ahead to introduce these Ponzi votes, I won't leave the party. I will stay in the party, but I will cause chaos in the party.
You see, it's not busy. It's only once with in charge.
I'll cause chaos in the party like I did in 2024. Se nipa Jimmy for bodam for way to meet ade we de send your friend is say delegator. Enya me won say obetumi asuma amafo so mo nkobo ntim fojo. Because already na ankasa na asin your friend say central region your chairman Kuti Nyankopon fa okransie ye obebi a odabi anyame asumdwe enkaw. On Canada Japan titi papa we ya edini ya kadede all in the name of one support no. Enti enya me won was say asin South MP ese on support na odi na ni beto no so and then my you fi say Chairman Putin no free Chairman Kuti no free asin send your friend is asin South baby and team fojo Reverend in team fojo free no or na your friend is say your chairman so free. It's enya me won was say Canada Japan besuma so to me a friend fools biom for the second time. I sending messages on my yen. I calling fools enya me wanwa. Na wo krapa ye yi wadwene de akoto toilet mu. Ye yi wadwen e de akoto dustbin mu. Ye yi wadwen de akoto nwure mu. Wo krapa ya mfre ofu. Wanu a abo egum ti se sebe manu de sumina so obi bibi. Wo krapa ya mfre osawo obi bibi a ndra mi ko hu ye. Wanu a abo egum se obi bibi a ndra mi ko hu ye. Wo krapa ya kan cho se ni sei. Abwata Canada Japan wachia wo wonya chia nwie yo wo be chia kwa wo Canada Japan wo free MPP for wo mbushi Canada wo mbu nipa bia wo say wo so per president edi Canada Japan wo say wo so per president edi why aden na wo gu ye nimu asesa wo gu ye mpanifo enimu ase na panifo da so like Muse, you deserve it. You deserve all the insults that Canada Japan is raining on you. Because beginning na mu take bold decision and can way ends out to us for the second time. Amo no akasa to na nenu mutuo say nia odi aye 2024 no obesa aye yembio. Okasa threatening West way. Want me anya hwio niamu ye ndi se wo se muji ne mbra na odi buy no muji tum ema endra ma cancel Ponzi votes aden bibia Canada Japan beke bia you right bibia you try to do things in favor of Canada Japan anytime you people try to do things to favor him. Ebeden no on be dimu atem on be country say most of you are fools. Ema ni kwasi ya followers no mo Jimmy no mo ndwen. Omu nsuo ata onsuo ata omutrimu se ne a omu paninu nsuo ata ni trimu a omakwakoyi nsuo efiri ni trimu ana se omakwakoyi nyoma fie efiri ni trimu no mo nkwankoyi bi no mo mu Jimmy musu modi nechi modu nechi. And me kote obi life so Jimmy Kasa say oka Jimmy Kasa ti say ni penny on drain and sana wakasa sana wa ode training nkwala Jimmy fo modi musa so di Jimmy fo echi Canada Japan obi asuro wo nobody is scared of you if you think ubetumi your friend is say who were grassroots please we beg you free party ni muna kwati party send Alan Tramante Oka more than what you oka nya okay. And the grassroots ya ono alanchemante ne dia grassroots ya ne dia all 2024 election no onya vote ahin 1% kwa wenya ndru 1% o wenya ndru. Emma your friend is your guy we me patcho mun kai mi ni di why host guy ya cheddar kwa benya vote to see alanchemante. Obi a wusu ya grassroots nipa o Kennedy won to me at wo party na yen fan boso won na wusu grassroots no wo de ya tisi so mu ni na sister grassroots ni na ade wechi na nka MPP nkwa ye be create MPP no foforo aden and the papa penimu you don't want to think you don't want you in fact you talk with emotions. Politics we don't do that oh we do akuma echi awo obeye nyomo bi a obe regretting senya ndru akwasi empani bi koka odidi atamu kika sanfun and yesusu ya di ye emotions echi a nka by this time you sure say yen to koninka ye wieye. Sometimes you have to think e was say we use wadwen maturity penny dear we a penny you have to think like penny. Since yankwala ya background na ye yankwala crampo no ye pese ye thinking ahead of your friend is say ahead of our ages. Kennedy Japan, we beg you stop all this. No ye hate you me for readers say me hate you. But the kind of politics are we na mempe. Intimate me bedu echi. E no nche say me time. Ade na wo de wa ma na ye ti say obi a wendu echi bia no ye wo tamfo or ye wo enemy. You are trying to create enmity where there is no enmity. Why? Kennedy Japan, why? Why are you doing this to our noble party? Ade. Party when Emma we hear who you are today. This party, if you have forgotten, we are telling you today, this party made you who you are today. I would to me do some boso e can some say make Kennedy Japan means ka for e kasa na mo ehia for so mo ba be kebi ye na nde ehia for ye ma wo be ye nia wa be ye enye ye vote na ma MPP ba pa wan ka minji ni say nde wo baby a wo gine nka wo gina ho wa tonya akwa your opponent what are they boni be na e dia yo me eya me ka wasama eya me ya because we are party member you shouldn't do enyoma bi aye nkola ye beba beka agu enimu asa minimum Kennedy Japan minimum asin for me because school asin for I know you very well. I know what you did in Asin for or Asin Central. Penny for our him for dear matem nini na we know. Yenny na ya kaza eba bekin kan sama. Oh, ye begu hufi. Ye begu hufi. Into beja ya jai.